In this automatic wire stripper, you can also cut the wire, this part, right there. Alright, so here's the wire, we're going to insert it right in here, and we're going to let it get the stopper, which is in the middle right there. And then we're going to grab our automatic wire stripper, and we're going to crimp it. Make sure you get the right size, it needs to be the red, and you're going to crimp it right in the middle. Right. So this will be the final product.
The Haisstronica automatic wire stripper. It even cuts the wires too. You see the little razor right there? That'll get her done quick, fast, and in a hurry. But it's nice and easy. Look at that.
Alright, so I have already did this side, so let's apply it in here. So make sure you go in here again. Right there. Make sure again you get the right size crimper. For me, it's gonna be the red. Right there. See if the wire does not leak. So you wanna again apply heat to it. You wanna apply heat to the side. And there you go. There you have it. Right there, you can put the other wire here and make the connection. Okay guys, so this is the Haisstronica 260 piece heat shrink spade connectors. So as you can see right here, it does come color coded red, blue, and yellow. It all depends on the gauge of wire you're using. They got 22 16 for red. For blue they got 16 to 14. For yellow they got 12 to 10. Right here you can see how much it brings. They bring 30 piece, 30 piece, 30 piece, 50, 50, 50, 50. So a total of 260 piece heat shrink spade connectors.